This is why you need cricket. It's louder than a stadium and smarter than a chessboard. Stick around for 3 jaw-dropping stats. Number 1. The fastest recorded delivery was 161.3 km/h. That's a batter seeing a blur and deciding in half a second. Number 2. Sachin Tendulkar scored 100 international centuries. A century factory across formats. Number 3. T20 exploded the game, matches under 3 hours, and some players clear the boundary like it's a trampoline. Cricket is ancient strategy with modern fireworks. Follow for more quick cricket shocks, and next time you watch, bet on the drama, not just the runs.